Okay, I don't have that foundation, but she says it has a coverage like a concealer, and it does appear to be a bit lighter than her skin tone, so I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. Oh, I think I applied that too close to my under eye. This to her cheeks, her forehead, oh, and her chin. Blending it out. I don't have that sponge she's using, so I'm just gonna use the beauty blender. Ooh, I think I applied like way too much. Oh my god. I should have applied less Shape Tape because this concealer goes a really, really long way. Oh my god, guys. I just searched up that foundation. That foundation is like $50-something. I don't have that. I do have the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is a little sample. This foundation is also pretty expensive and lightweight. Oh shit. I literally applied. So she applies it basically all over. Oh, we didn't put the concealer? I don't know. This is so much foundation, guys. Put it on my eyes as well. God, I look so freaking pale. Like, I know in Korea and like Asia in general, I guess, typically people go like a shade lighter than their typical foundation shade, but for me, I just can't. It looks so weird. I kind of feel like Nikki tutorials right now. Like, you know how she always puts foundation on her lips? And you know how Nikki applies a lot of foundation? I freaking hate about tubes. They always squeeze out way more than what you need. Okay, she's using a cream concealer. I don't actually have any except for this Benefit Boing I got in a sample. So she's applying it on her dark circles, but I feel like Shape Tape covered it up. Oh well. I'll just do it anyways. Hold up, pony. This is the thing with like makeup tutorials. Like, you want to edit it so that like it's not too long and people will lose the attention span, but you also, you know, you don't want to make it too fast where like people can't follow along. Okay guys, like I took a break and I was reviewing the footage. I did not realize how much my face does not match my neck, my hands, or my ears. Like, Luminous Silk in 4 does match me, but I think it's because I applied like way too much. Yeah, I'm gonna put foundation on my ears and on my neck because this is really gonna bother me, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna bother like people who are watching this video. Like, this girl does not know how to blend makeup. Oh, this hurts. Okay, sorry guys, that was such freaking distraction. Okay, it's really hard to like make sure to stay in frame and also watch her video and then also like try to do my makeup at the same time. Okay, so she's using a pressed powder. I have the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium. I'm actually going to use a Pony Effect sponge and apply this. Use the sponge to apply the powder, I guess, kind of like in her more oily prone areas, which is kind of like my whole face, but. And then we use a brush to apply it everywhere else. This powder definitely, I feel like, even things out. Okay, so she's using Dip Brow Pomade, which I have as well. Mine's is quite dried out though. I don't know how this is gonna work out, guys. I am like terrible at doing my eyebrows. Okay, so she starts at the top of her eyebrow. Okay, hold on. I feel like I understand now how like every beauty guru does their eyebrows off camera. Yeah, there's barely like anything picking up on my brush because my dip brow is pretty dried out. And she said to make the eyebrows strong because we're doing more bold makeup. And by the way, my eyebrows are like a freaking mess right now. I've been really trying to like grow out the tops of my eyebrow. Yeah, it's like really tempting to go and try to like pluck my eyebrows, but I really want them to grow out. Pony has like the straight eyebrow. It's straight, but her top does have an arch, if that makes sense. This looks bad. Okay, eyebrows are looking tragic. I'm using this contour shade from the Smashbox palette. Okay. She brings it down the nose. I'm always curious, like, why not just use a contour powder? Like, why use eyeshadow? Oh, wait, hold me. Because again, this is something I just noticed like watching like a lot of Korean makeup artist channels on YouTube. Like they contour the eye socket, but they always use an eyeshadow to do it instead of like a traditional like a contour powder. Is there like a reason why? I don't know. I feel like I made my nose look bigger instead of smaller. Ooh. Okay, she's using Arm Decay Primer Potion.
아이프라이머를 발라볼게요. 어반 디케이 아이프라이머가 다른 제품보다 월등하게 좋은 건 아닌데 어느 정도 기름기가 느껴져서 너무 경계지게 발리지 않는 점이 좋아요. 아주 소량을 손끝에 덜어내 발라줍니다. 오늘 메이크업의 포인트가 될 섀도우 팔레트를 소개할게요.
I have the same eyeshadow palette. I'm excited.
음영 계열이 어우러진 팔레트인데요. 가을을 제대로 저격할 수 있는 그윽한 분위기의 눈매를 연출하고 싶을 때 이 팔레트 하나만 있어도 쉽게 가을 메이크업을 완성할 수 있어요.
Marathon and applying that all over her lid.
언더라인 전체에 넓게 발라줍니다.
I really do like Korean style makeup, but I'm not that good at it, which is weird because it's less complicated than Western makeup, but I don't know, I'm just not good at it. See, like I already messed up. Okay, so she also brings this in the lower lash line. Okay, so my camera stopped recording because I ran out of space, but she just took this shade and she just applied it in the outer corners, and that's what I started doing. Maybe I should step in a little closer so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. If you want to like follow the tutorial, just watch Pony's, don't watch mine. I'm not going to take the effort into zooming. Sorry. I think it's amazing how she did all the blending with this color with just this brush. I think I might have to go in with a blending brush, guys, because this is looking hella unblended right now. With the Morphe R39 brush, this is clean. I think it's clean. And I'm just going to blend out the color we just put on because I think I applied a bit too much. All the Western beauty gurus I watched, they use like 5 different blending brushes for one look. But when it comes to like a lot of Korean makeup artists, they only use like a couple eye brushes and everything still looks super blended out and flawless. She's taking this shade, which is called Cork Barrel. She's using the same brush that we contoured our nose with, and gonna use this to blend out the edges. So I first started watching Pony, I think when she was on another channel. She had this series called Pony's Beauty Diary, I think, and I couldn't find the videos anymore on YouTube. I think they were unlisted, but yeah, she's just like obviously insanely gorgeous. Her videos are just honestly like so nice to watch. Just literally just stare at how pretty she is for 10 minutes straight.
골드 글리터 컬러인 블링한 드레스 코드 컬러로는 눈두덩과 언더아이 중앙에 부분적으로 발라 포인트를 줍니다.
Yeah, this isn't really showing up that well. I don't know how Pony does it. Like, she's obviously way better at makeup than I am. I'm gonna use the Holika waterproof jewel light liner. So I'm gonna use this instead because that Etude House eyeshadow was not working. Or, well, more like I couldn't get it to work. I'm pretty sure it can work because Pony made it work. This is a really pretty color combination, like pink and gold. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I actually changed my mind. I am gonna zoom in because I'm not sure if it's like showing. And then she's taking the shade, and I think she's using the same brush. Right? She's just applying it like.
브러쉬를 끼듯이 터치해 깊은 음영감을 더해줍니다.
Okay, I'm just gonna go back in with the Morphe R39 brush because, like, for the love of God, I don't know how Pony is just blending with a flat packer brush. Okay, so she's using a brown gel liner. I don't have a brown gel liner, so I'm just gonna use this brown pencil eyeliner I have from Rimmel, and I'm going to tightline. For me, I don't really like tightline my eyes all that often just because I find the eyeliner just transfers to my waterline. I'm just gonna take an angled brush and the eyeliner. Sorry, I can't talk when I'm doing eyeliner. Now it's time to plop on the eyelash. I'm gonna use the Ardell 122s. I feel like they kind of look like the ones she was using. I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to curl our bottom lashes. Okay, guys. Holy shit, how do you do this? Did that make a difference? I mean, it doesn't hurt. It's just really weird. Actually, looking at this eyelash, I think this is a bit. This might be a little bit more dramatic than the ones Pony is using. Ooh, these eyelashes are way more bold than what Pony was using. Yikes. Okay. And then she says to fuse your lashes with mascara, so I'm using CoverGirl Supersizer.
완전히 마르기 전에 컬러로 집어서 마무리해주면 내 속눈썹과 인조 속눈썹이 두 갈래로 떨어지지 않고 붙게 돼요.
These lashes I think these lashes are too much for this look. I was actually able to find a pair of more natural lashes in my collection. So I'm going to glue these on instead. Now that the glue has dried and the mascara has... Okay, I'm just going to give my lashes a good curl. Yeah, I'm just gonna coat them a bit more with some mascara. Okay,
브라운 붓펜 아이라이너로
ooh, do I have brown liquid eyeliner? I do have one, but it's like really dried out. Let's try and, you know, if I get an eye infection, like whatever. Let me zoom you guys in. Oh man, my eyes are red. I was like I'm crying.
눈 앞 코너에 앞 트임 효과를 살짝 넣어준 뒤에
you go,
페이크
Bunny.
래쉬를
Okay.
그려줍니다.
Gonna try
저는 이
this
페이크
guy.
래쉬를 거의 10년도 넘게 그리고
Hopefully
나면
I don't mess
자연스럽게
up.
연출할 수 있는데 처음 시도하시는 분들은 정말
I
괜찮은
don't know
뷰펜
why my
제품으로
eyes are so
여러
red
번
right
연습을
now.
하셔야 진짜 래쉬가
Okay, so
보여요.
she's contouring the
얼굴 외곽에
face. Where's my
쉐이딩을 넣어줄
contouring
차례예요.
brush?
먼저 상대적으로 조금 밝은 컬러를 광대 외곽 부분에만 살짝 굴리듯 발라주세요.
I'm using this Smashbox contour palette, by the way. Okay, and then she's going in with a bronzer.
그런 뒤에 어두운 컬러를 광대 외곽부터 턱 라인, 눈썹 옆 부분까지 자연스럽게 이어서 발라줍니다. 인스타그램에서 질문을
So she did actually use the same
주셨는데요.
lipstick as a cream blush, but like I already have powder on my face. And I'm not really a fan of cream blushes, to be honest. So I'm just gonna use this shade from Estee Lauder blush palette because I think it's, you know, somewhat similar to the color that she was using. And then I'm just going to blend it into my face using a cling powder brush.
이어서 바로 립 컬러로도 활용을 해볼 건데요. 요즘 많이 나오는 리퀴드 립스틱은 너무 매트하고 뻑뻑하게 픽스돼서 나중에 시간이 지나면 각질이 안 예쁘게 떨어지는데 이 제품은 보송보송하게 발리면서 건조하게 마무리가 되지 않아서 요새 틴트 제품이랑 섞어서 자주 바르고 있어요.
Okay, and lastly she highlighted her face with Becca Opal. I do have Opal, but it's in the liquid format and I don't want to put liquid on top of powder, so I'm just going to go with something that's somewhat similar, which is Gilded Honey by Laura Geller.
눈 옆부분을 감싸듯이 C자 형태로 발라준 뒤에 입술 상과 턱 부분에도 살짝 발라줍니다. 그리고 손끝에 조금
And she said to apply it to the inner corners of the eye. Just a little bit of
메이크업
shimmer.
완성입니다.
That is the look, guys. How did I do? I think it's really pretty. Like, I really like the look. I don't know how well I followed the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!